There's no single definition of research administration. Perhaps the best way to illustrate it, what it entails, is to explain how research administration comes into play at research institutions and the processes that require it. You don't need to have an in-depth understanding of what research means in order to know that research of some kind happens in various settings. It happens in corporations, universities, science foundations, and at many other entities throughout the world. Whether that research is within the natural sciences, social sciences, engineering, or medical fields, research is happening, and none of it is possible without funding. Research funding can come from anywhere: charitable foundations, not-for-profits, private corporations, as well as local, state, and federal governments. Regardless of the funding, these entities, we call them sponsors, attach certain requirements to the use of those funds. And regardless of what a sponsor expects from the research itself, whether it's delivered materials, new technology, or a published paper, sponsors want the research to be managed and the activities and results of which reported. Basically, sponsors want to know what's happening with their money. But there's more to it than just the money. There are regulations that must be abided, reviews that need to be conducted by the appropriate individuals and oversight boards, certifications to be acquired, conflicts that must be averted or managed, all of which must be tracked and managed throughout the life cycle of the research project, something that can go on for years. Directing these different pieces, the money, the certifications, the cooperative agreements, as well as bringing the research to a close, publishing the results, and possibly transferring the work to marketing entities for sales or royalties, are all part of the administrative process that occurs behind the scenes, usually performed by administrative staff, while the pure research itself is being conducted by the research faculty. So research administration is pretty much what it sounds like: managing the administrative work involved in research.